contemplating, meditating, still waiting, shouldn't have dated. I've been contemplating, meditating, still waiting, shouldn't have dated. I've been contemplating, meditating, still waiting.
You guys, it is 11:23 and I have to clean the place up because it's Friday and I've been slacking lately. Like, I haven't been cleaning on Fridays like I should, and I need to do it, so I'm going to do it. I want to bring you guys with me while I clean, but every time I record, I end up deleting the footage. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but it's like, I'm just gonna post it at this point. Like, I don't know why I keep deleting the footage. Just like I recorded a video yesterday of me doing like a big chop, and my hair was just like so uneven and it didn't look good. So it's like, what do I post? I haven't posted in a while and I don't want to just not post. So, but you can tell I kind of just woke up a little bit. A little crusty. Let me put some chapstick on. Chapstick. Yeah, guys. So, car match. Anyway, I really said I don't got no coffee creamer. Like, look, I need me some coffee, some iced coffee. So I got the coffee, but I don't got the creamer. So now I gotta suffer with this nasty creamer. So yeah, I'm going to drink me some coffee with this nasty oat creamer that cause I don't have no fresh vanilla creamer and I'm upset about that. Let me say y'all something that made me mad. So I usually pack Raven's lunch. Okay? Usually. Sometimes I don't want to pack lunch. Sometimes I don't feel like it, or I'm too tired to be packing lunch. All I really pack him is he like peanut butter jelly sandwiches, turkey sandwiches, some fruit, some noodles. Sometimes, I don't know, it depends. But if I didn't pack him, no food, he could have just packed it, right? He gonna text me telling some, I'm starving. Well, you didn't pack your lunch. You know I didn't pack it. You were up this morning, so why didn't you just grab you some noodles? You didn't have to do nothing. Grab you some noodles. He said, oh my gosh, talking about some, I wanted to save it for us. I don't eat peanut butter jelly sandwiches. I barely eat noodles. Who are you saving it for? Like this girl right here, Sky. I'm about to put her out on the streets because she getting on my nerves. But yeah, oat creamer. I put some milk in here because so it's kind of like, yeah. I really miss my French vanilla creamer. I really do. And this is the coffee I use, unsweetened stocks. I've tried like the Starbucks, I think, and I didn't really like it. I believe. Like this tastes good. I probably need some sugar in here though, because this is not sweet or nothing. With the French vanilla creamer, I don't have to put sugar. So let me taste it. I don't want to taste this for real because no, it's not for 2 seconds. It's okay. Sky, get out of here. It's okay. It just tastes, I guess it's just refreshing to have some coffee in my system. Don't mind my hair. I got some twists in my hair right now. I don't know if I want to show you guys, but they're kind of, I did them last night. And they look kind of cute, kind of. Not really. Raven talking about some, ooh, I like your hair like that. Like, these is just some twists. so I can, you know, go to bed with. But maybe I'll do like a little hair video of me actually doing the twist. Or maybe I just make a TikTok, because I feel like the hair video is gonna be too long. I'll probably just make a TikTok, edit it of me doing it maybe. But yeah. I wish the lighting in here was better. I wouldn't have to use my camera, my little light, if some light would actually come in here. Like, why do I have to turn on my light and it stays on? I'm trying to show you first. It's a bonnet and scarf type of day, you guys, okay? I'm not coming on this camera to look cute because I'm cleaning and I'm home, okay? I'm going anywhere, so I can have my bonnet and scarf. I'll probably speed this part up. Hopefully I post this video this time. I'm just gonna post it. Like, you know why? I probably didn't post the other one because like my face be having all this stuff on it and it just looks so bad on camera. But whatever, it is what it is.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Okay, so I folded all the clothes are done. I'm gonna go put it up. I don't think you guys need to see me putting it up, and I know y'all seen some dust flying. Them clothes got a lot of hair on it, cause sky, if you can see it flying, don't mind it because I was doing a lot of this. But I'm gonna go put the clothes up and then I'll see you guys in the next clip. I gotta wait for Raven to get out of the bathroom because he just got home and I need to clean the bathroom. So I guess I'm going to... No, I'm going to straighten up the little gaming area he has over there. So that's what I'm going to do. So this video going to be long. I hope y'all don't mind. Hope y'all like watching people clean. Okay, it's good. The pepper jack cheese is melted because I waited a while to eat it, but we got pickles on here, pepper jack cheese, and it was free. I'll be getting the rewards from Chick-fil-A.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting when I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
I've been contemplating, meditating, still waiting, shouldn't have dated. I've been contemplating, meditating, still